Okay, very great afternoon, dear participant. Today is our fourth day of first module of valued course on holistic personality and life skill development. Now you are attending first module on goal setting and coaching, and today is fourth day. Okay, and the course is organized by Center of Excellence in Teaching and Learning of ASSMS College of Engineering. Okay, I am Dr. Mrs. Mangal Hemanthen, coordinating the Center of Excellence in Teaching and Learning and also conducting this 1 month value added course. Now, in last 3 days, we have seen why goal is required to set. What is the importance of goal setting in our life? Then, first step of goal setting is goal area. We need to find out goal area. Okay, so on day two, assignment number one was given that I would like to just revise it. So, this assignment was just you will set any one high priority area. You set goal five statements of goal. I told you because if you are learning goal setting process, then first you have to set goals as per your usual practice, and then you learn something how goal has to set scientifically so that your success rate of getting goal manifested will increase. If your goals right now, suppose you are setting 10 goals and your only 5 goals are getting success, it means your success rate is 50%. So how you will jump your success rate from 50% to 70-80%? That is the objective of this valued course module 1. And then that's why I told you, you set 5 goals as per your practice or habit, and then select at least one goal which can be manifested in 1 week, because I am expecting that at least your one goal will be manifested at the end of this 10th lecture. Okay, before we start module 2 on leadership. So again, if you have not set any one goal which can be manifested within now 4 5 days, you said that. So that was assignment number one, learning by doing. Okay, now on day 3, last day, I had given you assignment number 2. So what was that assignment 2? Creating the mind map on goal area. I told you the mind map technique. Now here, whatever techniques we are studying, that techniques are based on the brain function and the heart function, because we did in last 3 days heart meditation. Now, what is the importance of heart meditation? Because power of heart is 10,000 times more than the brain. Sometimes we just think practically. Brain thinks practically how it will happen, how it can get within 2 days. My salary is 10,000 rupees per month. How I can start 10 lakh, how I can jump it immediately. It is just a practical thinking of the brain. So, if we learn to keep our brain aside and to use heart for the success process, then our success gets manifested very easily. So, heart, we have to use it in the success building process, and that is one of the technique heart meditations. We have seen 3 days you did. Today, we are going to do different meditation technique which will be using brain power, because see, when I am saying brain and heart is more than 10,000 times, brain is also having super magical power. But here the question comes, which brain you are using? Are you using left brain or right brain? And I told you right brain capability is very large, because if you will trigger right brain, if you will have exercise of right brain, then also your dreams gets manifested very easily. Now, how to trigger right brain? It is through picture. So, mind map, we are not just studying as any one study technique. We are studying mind map for creating the picture so that our dream will be imprinted in the brain function. Now, when it will be imprinted in the brain compartment of long time, we have to take it from brain compartment of long term memory to the subconscious mind. When anything goes in subconscious mind, all the practical beliefs get stopped. Miss, I am telling you, brain thinks practically, it will not happen, this problem is there, that problem is there. But when it goes in subconscious mind, subconscious think everything as a real. So when you are considering, no, I just got gold medal in university exam, gold medal you are experiencing, you are saying gold statement, I got the gold medal. So when it goes in your subconscious that I got gold medal, when it goes in subconscious, subconscious don't think it is just imaginary. Subconscious think, oh, it's a real thing. Subconscious don't think practical considerations. It's think, oh, I got gold medal. And when something goes in subconscious, it will just absorb as it is whatever you will put in your subconscious. And then what happens? You got gold medal, that part subconscious will start thinking, behaving. You got the gold medal, and then it will start attracting everything from the universe, and gold medal will come to you. Okay, so in earlier days, sadhu used to take any things from the cosmos, and we used to say that is magic and this, but science has proved all these things. Jnaneshwar had just controlled the wall, sitting on the wall, he just moved the wall. Everything is possible. We have to believe that. We have to keep practical thinking aside, and therefore we must know how to keep in the subconscious. So first, triggering the right brain is the first step. Means create the picture, put that picture in front of your sleep place, and then it will help you to keep in the right brain. Okay. Now your brain frequency has to be alpha frequency, because when we go on sleeping, frequency starts decreasing. Brain's frequency start decreasing, and when the moment you just sleep, at that moment you can activate your subconscious. So bring the brain frequency to alpha frequency, and then you, whatever you think, whatever you will just see picture, that goes into subconscious. So today we are going to see how to reduce brain frequency. Okay, so I will tell you the technique which I have experienced in my life 10-20 years. I am using that and I am getting success. If I will not use this technique for my any dream, my dream also remains like that, because I'm also human being. Okay, because we just have laziness and doing all these things, so that happens. But whenever I start using this, I get the results, and I have achieved many things in my life through this visualization technique. And you will not get anywhere this visualization technique, and they are different, but what I am telling, that is different. Okay, so that is very very wonderful. You will start experiencing how your brain starts calm frequency goes down. Okay, if you will really do seriously. So that was assignment number 2, create the mind map on goal area and passed it in the workbook. So you passed in workbook because I am expecting you will show me something, so that you will get appreciation certificate. What I am telling for appreciation certificate, but because I am interested in the outcome. So if you will create good picture, then only you will paste it on your wall, and when you will paste it on wall, then only your dream will come successful. Okay, that is I am interested in that. So day 3, I want to see who is the winner of assignment number 1 and assignment number 2. Okay, 1 and 2, because I had not asked you the earlier assignment goal and this. I checked your workbook, but I am not satisfied. So at least you start working, because see, you have paid. Why fees is kept? Because you will do something seriously, and you just, at least your first dream should get manifested through this technique, and then you will remember these techniques for longer time, and then only you will start getting success. So don't be living like that. So this is the mind map given by Sanika. So Sanika, can you explain this? She has written that public service, family, career, health, hobbies. Sanika, can you explain this? Hmm. Y- Yes. 1 minute. Let me revise. Sanika, take a pause. Let me revise. So, Sanika is saying that she has considered goal areas study, family, career, and health and hobbies and public service. So, Sania is also considering public service. Okay. So, these are Sanika's goal areas. I told you first step is goal area and not the goal, because all these you it should be in your compartment. And here I would like to tell Sanika, you use different colors, because when brain will see this picture should be imprinted in the brain, so it should identify, oh, right side family is there, so make it green, make this blue, make this yellow. Unless and until you will not use color, then imprinting in the brain will not be proper. So you have to use different colors. Okay, at either you use chalk or you use any software tools. I told you mind map software tools are also there. Yes, then Sanika, after this study, she has just divided this study goal area into one to top in BTech, higher studies, then manage both UPSC and regular studies. Okay. Now, in this area study, she has written, I think, goal statement, or these are areas only, sub areas. When you are just setting goal, it should be areas first. Yes. So instead of sufficient sleep, you should have written sleep. Sleep. Then health, eating or eating habit, sleeping habit, exercise, like that. Okay. Career, IS officer. Then exploring satisfactory happiness family. Okay. So you just update that. Then this is mind map of Ankita. Now Ankita has done a very software she used. Nice beginning, Ankita, but here colors are missing. Please give colors, because see, we are just imprinting it. Picture should be there. Means after 1 month also should remember, oh, blue color area is there, study pink is there, health white is there, like that, family brown is there. So please give colors, because whenever we use imagine colorful picture, then only we remember. Black and white picture just retention is less. Okay. If you want to increase your strength of the picture in your brain, you have to use different colors, different shapes. Okay. Now shapes can be same, but colors has to be different. So Ankita, you can modify your mind map. Okay. Now this mind map is whose? Yes, whose mind map? Goal, goal, yes. Health, running, diet, good communication skill, career, job, marketing, listen. Who's mind map? Now if you will use only few less timing on creating mind map, how much will be your success? You just pose a question to you. If you are not ready to work on this, how success will come to your life? Huh? Huh? कसं map missed होतो. If map, if your mind map is missed, then how your goal you are giving value? See, okay, if you are taking this course as a like regular lectures and assignments, like your assignments, you will never proceed further in your life. So please don't attend this course like that. Spend some time, because by spending time, by just using hand, by discussing this, you are just giving signals to the brain cells you are changing. Try to understand the logic behind that. Brain cells you have to change, brain plasticity will change, and then brain will start working. Okay. Now suppose you have written health and diet. Now for health, how much work you have to do? You have to go in gym, you have to exercise. So it's so difficult. Instead of that, spend here time on the health. Theoretically sitting in the home, that is easy, and the same effect you will get it. Now science has proved that. Instead of knowing, you just start doing and experiencing, and then results will be more. Okay. So this is Shreyas. And now see, last time I am showing you last course which I did in Bombay College. See, immediately they showed me in the next day. Okay, next lecture. So this was done by some student.